Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Students, we all of you know that the entire world is facing a lot of problem of COVID-19 pandemic. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, doors of the schools are remain closed. Means schools are remain closed, but doors of education are not closed. It means these are open for all through the online. So, with COVID-19 limiting our mobility, the strain of education must not be limited. With this vision in mind, BMC has started this channel under the Education for All initiatives, providing free access to educational resources to students across the country. So today, the we are we are taking the math subjects, and the topic is our multiplication. So let's start. Our Mumbai Municipal Corporation staff expert teacher Mr. Ravindra Balasaheb Chirsagar, School RS Nagar Municipal Upper Primary English Medium School, Mahim, G North Ward. Our administrative officer, Honorable Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre Madam. Our nodal bit officer, Honorable Mr. Sharad Kurade sir. Our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Ma'am. Our assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpriti Ma'am. And our channel nodal officer, Mr. Ratilal sir. So let's start this session by a good thought. Thought of the day: do good for others. It will come back in unexpected ways. Meaning is that do good. It means we have to do anything, whatever you want in your life, do good for others. So the result is it will come back in unexpected ways, helping someone in need without expecting anything in return. Okay, now look at the picture. What do you see in this picture?
There are groups of two beach ball.
Very, very good. So, do you like ball?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So, can anybody tell me how many balls are there?
Six.
Six balls. Okay. Is there groups of groups of the ball, beach balls?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many in each group?
Two balls in each group.
Very nice. Very nice, beta. Now, look at this picture. What do you see in the picture?
There are six fishes.
Okay. But can anybody tell me what is this?
Group of. It was a group.
Okay. It
It
is
was
also,
group of
but
two fishes.
okay. It is a fish ball, right? And in each fish ball, there is two fish, right? How many fish are there?
Two.
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 Very good. Total, how many fishes are there?
Six.
Six fishes are there. Is there same number of the fish in each bowl?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So now let us see. There are three fish bowls, and if we ask how many total fishes are there, then we know how to add it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can we write 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. It means the number 2, it comes for how many times?
Three.
3 times. We add same number. How many times? That is the 3 times. Means 2 is added 3 times itself. Right? Number
Yes.
2, we add number 2. How many times? 3 times.
Three times. Three
So
times.
the number here, the only 3 times we are going to add number 2. But sometimes if we want to add 40 times, 50 times, 70 times, So how it will be? It will
Multiply.
be, yes, it will be very lengthy. Am I right? So instead of writing this 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, we can write it as 2 multiply, sorry, 2 cross 3 is equal to 6. Here the one symbol is given, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So it looks as a cross mark, right?
Yes, sir.
So we can now read it as read 2 cross 3. Okay. The symbol, the cross symbol is given, no? So this is stands for multiply. This cross symbol, it stands for what?
Multiply.
Multiply. Yes, we can read now. We can read now. Instead of cross, we can say it's a multiply. 2 multiply by 3 is 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now see, here there are three groups. How many groups are there? Three.
Three.
And each group has how many dogs?
Four dogs.
Very good.
Four dogs.
Yes, in each group there are four dogs. So total number of how many groups are there?
Three. Three
Okay,
groups.
and how many in each group?
Uh,
Four.
Four. Each group has the four
Three.
dogs. Four
Three
dogs.
times. Yes, very good, beta. 3 times 4 dogs is equal to 12
12.
dogs. Yes, we can write it as by adding also we can solve it. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to also 12. But instead of writing plus again and again, it means the repeating the number 4 is repeated or repeatedly adding. Am I right?
Yes. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
4 plus 4 plus 4 is repeated, added how many times? 3 times. Instead of writing this plus sign, we can use now this
Multiply.
cross sign, that is the multiply. 3 multiplied by 4 is
Is
equal
equal
to
to 12.
12.
12.
Very good. Now, when we add same number repeatedly, is called as multiplication. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
What do you mean by multiplication then? Can anybody tell
Cross.
me?
Cross sign. Cross sign.
When we add some number
When
repeatedly is called as multiplication.
Yes, very nice. Same number repeatedly add is called multiplication. Now, example, take one example, that is 3 times 2 is 6. Now, can you read by
Yes,
using
sir.
the multiply sign? 3 multiply by
Multiply
2
is
is
equal to
equal
6.
to, very
6.
good.
6.
Now, the next one, who will read this one?
Sir, can I 7 times 5 is 35. 7 multiplied by 5 is equal to 35.
Very good, very good. Now, multiplication. So, let us learn today multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition of same group, underline the word same group of number. Multiplication is repeated addition of same group of number. So the sign of multiplication is
X.
Cross.
cross
Cross.
mark, or we can say it's the X, right? So for the addition, vertical and horizontal line we use like that the same. We use the sign for multiplication cross mark. Okay, while multiplying we use cross mark.
Yes, sir.
Now there are some factors of the multiplication. Number one, multiplicand. Number second, multiplier. And number three, product. Today we are going to see these three factors. Okay. Number one, multiplicand. Multiplicand. What do you mean by multiplicand? The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. Okay. We will see the next one, multiplier. The number by which another number is multiplied is called the multiplier. And the product, the number obtained by multiplying two numbers, is called the product. So these three factors we'll see in example. Now look at it. Here the one sign is given, cross mark is there, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, right? In that, number 3 is the multiplicand.
Multiplicand.
Very good.
Yes.
And number 2, it means number 2 is the
Multiplier.
multiplier. Because
Multiplier.
this, yes, multiplier. Now by number 2, we can multiply the another number, that is number 3. Multiplier multiply the multiplicand. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And after multiplying these both the numbers, we get the answer. And the answer is called as the product.
Product.
Very good. Now, before starting to solve some multiplication sums, we should know some basic rules of the multiplication. Okay, it's very necessary to solve multiplication sums. Okay, number 1, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. See the example number 1, 5 multiplied by 0 is 0. Means any number when we multiply by number 0, we get the product 0. No matter the number is small, number is big, we get the answer or the product always 0. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now look at the second number, 16 multiplied by 0. What is the product?
0.
0.
Yes. And the third one, who will read the third one?
1985 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0.
Product
Very
is
good.
0.
Product is 0.
Yes, product. Yes, in all these three sums, the product is 0,
0.
because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now come to the next. Next rule is that any number multiplied by 1 stays the same. Very interesting. See, example number 1, 9 multiplied by 1 is
Product is
9.
9.
Yes, product is 9.
9.
Means whatever the multiplicand is there on the upper side, if the multiplier is number 1, so the product it will remain multiplicand. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Whatever the number is given or whatever the number is multiplied by number 1, it remains the same. 9 multiplied by 1 remains the same number 9.
Sir, it
Second
is
one.
like a tables.
Yes. Now the second one,
36
36.
multiplied by 1 is equal to 36. 36 is a product. 1 is a multiplier. 36 is a multiplicand.
Very good, very good. And the third one,
8,005
no,
multiplied by
85,961
and 61
multiplied by,
multiplied by 1 is equal to 85,961. 85,961 is a product. 1 is a multiplier.
okay, wait. Very good. The third one rule. Okay, we have studied number 0, number 1, and number 10. When a whole number is multiplied by 10, we can simply write a 0 at the end. Example C, 219 multiplied by 10 is 2190. In the product 2119, the multiplicand is the same. Only we put 10 at the end. Understood?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
But when we put 10 at the end, When
When the zero will come. When
Zero
yes,
will come.
will come.
when the at the end of the multiplier there will be 0. Sometimes now example number second, we'll see the second number one.
How
76,589 multiplied by 10. Don't worry, no need to multiply directly. We know that at the end of the when a whole number is multiplied by 10, we can simply write a 0 at the end, because the multiplier is having the 0 at its
And
unit place or
and
the one place. Okay, so same number is there, 76,000 76,589, and after one put 10. Okay, now the third one, 1000 multiplied by 10. How many zeros are there in 1000?
three.
Three zeros.
three.
And again we are going to add
One
at the
more zero.
end one
So
more
there
zero.
was a 40.
Yes, there are now 4 zeros. The product is 10,000.
10,000.
Very
10.
nice. Very good. Are you enjoying the lesson?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now, students, arrangement of multiplication. Arrangement. Then how can we arrange this multiplication? There are two types of the arrangement. Number one,
But
vertical
vertical.
arrangement, and number second, horizontal
Horizontal.
arrangement
Horizontal.
is there. Yes. In vertical arrangement, numbers are one below to other. Okay. Means multiplicand, then after below the multiplicand there is the multiplier, and after the multiplier we write the product. Okay, in vertical arrangement we can write multiplication as one below the other, and in horizontal multiplicand, then we can use the multiply sign and the multiplier, and then is equal to product. Okay, it's not here one below the other, one after other is there in horizontal arrangement.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
now let's solve some sums of multiplication. Number one, multiply two digit number by one digit number. Multiply by one digit.
Two.
Multiply
35.
the number by one digit.
Very good. 35 multiply by 2. Okay, now how to multiply? See on the right side here. Which
5
is
to
the
the
multiplier?
Yes, sir.
Which is
5
the
to the
multiplier?
1 carry over 0.
Multiplier.
Let
2. 2
number
is a
2 is the
multiplier.
multiplier. And
2
what is the
is the
multiplicand?
multiplier.
35.
35
35.
is
Yes,
multiplicand.
very good. Now, students,
So 2
multiplying,
5s are 10. So we one added on the
yes,
above of 3
in
and
35 number,
6, 1, 7.
hello,
The product is 70.
listen first what I am going to tell. Before starting the multiplication, we should start from ones place. And in the multiplicand, there is a ones place is number 5. After starting with the ones column, then move left column by column. Okay, now here only one is number is there after the number 5 ones column. There is number 3 that is in the tens column. Okay,
Yes.
so the place value of the number 5 and number 3 we must consider it. Okay, now start the multiplication.
2 5s are 10. So
2
we
5s are 10
10.
is 10. 2 5s are 10 is 2 5s are 10, right? So here
yes.
at the ones place we put 0 and we carry 1,
Take
because
on.
number 10 in
We
the 1,
cannot add.
yes, in the ones place we cannot carry this number at the ones place, so we should move to the left. Now 2
And
3s are 6,
6. So we
and whatever the carry number is there we have to add it.
add in.
Yes, 2
And
3s
the
are
answer
6
is 70.
plus 1
1,
is equal
7.
to 7.
The
So,
product is
The
70.
product is 70.
very nice. Okay. Now let's see. What do you see in this here? 5 multiplied by 3. What is this? Dice.
15.
Dice.
Yes. So in the dice, how many dots are there?
5.
5.
5. It shows 5. But how many times it shows?
3
3.
times.
It means 5 times 3 is
Means
15.
15.
Or
5.
you can write here 3 times 5 is also 15. Okay.
Yes.
Now move to the second one. Here some strips are there of the cubes. Right. Now in one strip, how many cubes are there?
10.
There are
10.
10 cubes are. Very nice. Now how many strips are given?
4.
4.
4. So it means 10 times 4 is 40. Or 4 times 10 is also we get the answer or the product is 40. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it depends on you how you want to take the number 10 multiplied by 4. You can take either 4 into 10. Okay. Now let's
Yes.
see the vertically carrying. Okay. Multiplying vertically with carrying. 153 multiplied by 6 is equal to. So up before starting the multiplication, their place and the numbers we have to write one below the other. Otherwise, our answer will be wrong. See, 153 multiplied by 6. Here, start from number 6 at the ones place. One digit number is there. Okay. 6 into 3 is 18. 8 at the, hello, 8 at the ones place. 1 carry. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31.
1, 31.
1, 1 at the tens place and 3 at the hundred place. Now move to the left. Only 1 is remain. 6 1s are 6. Add the carry 3. 6 plus 3 is equal
9.
to 9.
9.
So the product is 918. Systematically arrangement of the multiplication, it helps to solve easily. Okay. So arrange it one below to other. Ones place to the ones place. Tens place below the tens place. Hundred place below the
100
hundred
place.
place. Okay. So let us see next one. Multiply 3 digit by 2 digit number. Now in this here 432 is the multiplicand and 45 is the multiplier. Multiplier is having now 2 digits and multiplicand is 3 digit. So let's start from the ones place, that is number 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 0
10.
1 carry to the left side. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 1 carry once again. Then after 5 4s are
20.
20 plus 1.
21.
Very good. So we get here after multiplying by 5 unit or 5 ones, we get the product 2160. But here there are 2 digits number is there. One is
22.
over.
22, sir.
After number 5, now it's time to multiply by number 4. But number 4 at its tens place. So whatever the product we are going to write, it start from the tens place. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So then what we have to write at the unit place or the ones place? We put 10 because we are going to start from the Now tens, that is the number 4 is here indicate that 4 tens means what? 40. Okay. Now 4 twos are
8.
8, 4 threes are
4 3s are 12.
12, 1 carry, 4 fours are 16 plus 1 is equal to
17.
17. So now after multiplying number 5 and number 4, we have to add both the products. Okay. Then we get the final product of the multiplication. That is, now add 0 plus 0.
0.
Very good. 8 plus 6.
What's that?
6 plus 8.
14. 14.
14. So write 1 carry. Okay. Now 4 here at the 10th place and carry to the 100th place.
4.
1, yes, carry 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2,
4.
4. Write 4. No need to write carry here. Okay. When we write the carry number, when the number is
When
big, it comes into
when
the
10th place.
yes, very good. Now 2 plus 7,
Sorry, sir, 9.
very good, and 1 as it is 1. So the final product is
19,440.
very good. Now same way for the 5th standard, there is multiplication of 4 digits by 3 digits. We have to multiply 3 digits number. Okay. So while multiplying by 3 digits number, we must know the units, tens and hundred place. So here see, at the ones place, at the 10 place, at the 100 place, and at the 1000 place. There are 4 digit number which is multiplied by 3 digit number, right? Okay. So start the multiplication by ones place. This number, it shows here how to multiply. Okay. At the first, multiplying by 7 units. One by one, we are going to see. 7 multiply by 9. 7 into 9, 63. 3 at the unit place and 6 carry over. 7 to the 14. 14 and carry 6 is equal to 20. So 0 here and 2 carry to the left side. Now 7 4s are
7 4s are 28.
28 and carry, see, 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 6, we get 20, 0 here and 2 carry here. 7 4s are
4s are
28 plus 2, 30, right?
Yes, sir.
30, once again we put here 0 and carry 3 here. 7 3s are 21 plus 3 is equal to 24. So we get the product after multiplying 3,429 multiplied by 7. We get the product
3,000. Sorry. 3,34,003.
this one.
24,003.
Very nice, very good. Now after the tens time, already we have completed this one multiplying by 7 units. After the next one is start from the tens place. So at the tens place there is a 0 and we already know the rules. Second one rule.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
That the answer will 0.
Answer will be 0.
0.
Yes. So we get here answer 0. Now because of this rule we save our time, right? Now the third one, 3,429 multiplied by 500. So 5 here, 5 indicates that 500. So we write here 500.
Dead.
And we know that at the end of the number,
We put 0.
yes, we put the 0. So we need to multiply only by number 5. Okay. How many zeros are there? 2.
2.
So we put 2 zeros here. 5 nines are 45. 4 carry. 5 to the 10 plus 4. 14.
14.
1 carry. 5 4 the 20 plus 1. 21.
21.
1 carry. 5 3 the 15 plus 2. 17.
17.
After multiplying these 3 digits, we get here the product for the 7-digit number. 7 units. Then multiplying by tens, and after multiplying the hundreds, we get here the final product, that is
17,14,500.
8,503. Very good. Okay. Now see, same process is there, and 43,864 is multiplied by 423. Here at the first column, here the ones place is there, then after tens place is there, and then after 100 place is there. While multiplying by unit or the ones place, start the product from the ones place. To write from the tens place, put 1 0. To start from the 100 place, put how many zeros? 2 zeros. Okay.
2 zeros.
Then we will get the final product by adding these 3 numbers. Okay. Let's move now. For 5th standard scholarship, so many word problems are asked. Okay. Now let's solve some word problems. Question is there. One computer costs 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 such computer cost? Now, word problem. In this word problem, the cost of one computer is given, right? So what is the cost is given?
27,540.
Okay. And what is the question? How much will 18 such computer cost? We have to find out the cost of 18 such a computer. Okay. So multiply by that the number. Okay. How many times we are going to add this number? Multiplying this number 18.
18.
Okay. Now, one by one, here, see, 8 zeros, 8 into 0, 0. 8 for the 32,
32.
carry 3. 8 5 the 40 plus 3, 43.
What's that?
8 5 the 40 plus 3, 8 5 the
43.
yes. After adding carry, we get the 43. And here 3 and carry over here 4. Now 8 7 the 8 into 7 is 56. Add 4, that is the 60. 6
60.
0 here and 6 carry over here. 8 to the 16 plus 6.
22.
22 plus 6.
22 plus 6. 28.
8 to the 22.
No, sir.
Then
16.
16. 16 plus 6.
16 plus 6. 22.
Very good. So we get the product here by multiplying units place. Okay. Now the second one is the 1. We also know the rule of 1.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That number at
Will
itself.
be 0 only.
Yes, only 0. Why we put here 0? Because the number 1 is at which place? Tens place. So only add 0 to the next number. So multiplying this number, we get the product here 2 75,400. Okay. After add both the products, we get the
Sir, 18 computers cost is
cost of such a 18 computer is
4,95,702.
720. Very nice.
Sir,
Understood?
I have solved in my
Very nice.
book.
Very good. Now, see, a shopkeeper bought 78 TV sets for rupees 25,634 each. What is their total cost? Okay, this is the word problem. Now, what we have to do? We know the cost of one TV, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the cost?
25,634.
Yes. And what you have to find? The cost of how many TVs? TV sets?
78 TVs.
78 TVs. Okay. Then after we have to multiply by ones place first. Write the product at the ones place. 8 for the
8 for the 32.
very good. Carry over. How much?
3.
3.
Very good. Now 8 3s are 24 plus 3.
27.
Very good. 7 and 2 carry here. 8 6 are
48.
18
48.
plus 2.
50.
So 5
Carry
carry
50. Carry 5.
and very good. 8 5 are 40. 40
Plus
plus 5.
45.
45.
5.
Last one carry 4. 8 to the 16 plus
20.
4 we get the
20.
20. Okay, like this one by one, and you can see here the numbers which number 4 at the ones place, number 8 also one place, so the don't change the place. Okay,
Yes.
one below to other, the place will be there. Okay, now the second one is the number 7. 7 means it is in the tens place, so we write here 70, right?
Yes, sir.
Only we have to add only 0 here. For the scholarship exam, time is very necessary. Barabar? Now, 7 for the 28.
20.
Carry
Carry
7.
2.
Yes, carry 2. 7 3 the
10 is a 21.
21.
yes. One by one move to the left side, so we get the product here. Which one product?
1 lakh.
1,79,000.
No.
17,94,300.
Very nice. The total cost.
480.
Yes, after multiplying these both the numbers, that is the 8 and number 70, we get the final product, and that is our answer. The cost is
19
after
lakh. 19 lakh
very good.
99,452.
452.
Very good. So see how we find out the cost of 78 TV sets, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now see the next. One more example is there. Word problem. There are 754 students in a school. If one child's uniform cost 368 rupees, what will be the cost of the uniforms for all the children in the school? See, the cost of uniform, each child, how much?
368.
368. And how many students are there?
754.
So one by one, we have to add now the 3-digit number. Okay. First take the unit or the ones place. That is the 8. At the ones place, which number is there? Number
4.
yes. In the multiplicand, number 4 is there, and in the multiplier, number 8 is there. So we have to multiply this 8 by number 4 also, 5 also, and number 7 also. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
one by one we have to solve it. 8 for the 32, 3 carry. 8 5 the 40 plus 3, 43, 4 carry. 8 7 the
56.
56, 4 carry 60. Okay, like one by one we have to solve number next one, that is the tens place, and the number is 6, but it number 6, it stands for 60 because the place is tens, right? So multiply it by 60, put 1 0 here. Now 6 4, 6 into 4, 24, 6 into 5, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, then 6 7 the 42 plus 3, 45.
45.
We get the product 45,240. And the last one, the number 3 here, right? Number 3. So number 3 at which place? 100 place. And we know that at the 100 place there are how many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. So we have to multiply by 300. Put 2 zeros here and multiply by number 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 1 carry. 3 5 is 15 plus 1.
16.
Very good. And 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, that is the 22. After
22.
We have
these
2
three,
plus.
We have
yes, after obtaining 3 products of these 3 numbers multipliers, we have to add all the 3 products. So we get the final product, right? So the total cost of uniform is 2,77,000.
total
2,77,472.
Very good.
27
Understood?
34,000.
Yes, sir.
77,472.
Very nice. One more example is there. You can solve this one also, multiplication, multiplicand, multiplier. Okay. Now see the new one. Here, how many brackets are there?
2.
2 brackets are there. When the brackets are given, 8,325 multiplied by 3, bracket complete, plus 8,325 multiplied by 7. Here, see, 8,325 is the common number to the both the sides, right? It means both the side is having 8,325. Let's take it as a common. Okay, so we have to take it common. Why we have to take it common? Because both the side is, this number is having, right?
10
So
plus
take
8.
it only one time. Okay, then after put the multiplication mark, and what is the remain? 3 plus 7.
7.
3
3
plus 7.
plus 7. So now first solve, yes, is equal to 10, and we know how to solve or how to multiply the when at the end of number is having a
Yes,
0.
sir.
So put only 1 0, and
the end.
8,325 ones are 8,325, and only put 1 0 to the end. Okay,
Okay, sir.
understood?
Yes.
For the scholarship exam, some MCQ type questions are there. That is the multiple choice questions are there. Question is there, and it is having how many options are there?
4 options.
4 options. So let's solve. Now here we have to use the rules. Okay. Now see, first one, find the product. What is mean by product? After
Answer.
multiplying both the numbers, the answer is our product. So what is the answer?
23 multiplied. Sir, the answer is 300 and 300 and 500 and
Wait, listen.
519.
Hello everybody. Hello everybody, listen.
Yes, sir.
See how to solve in a second. Okay, in a few minutes. Okay, see 23 multiply by 153. At the both the side number here. Unit place which number is there? Number 3. It means we get the product here 3 3s are 9. At the unit place which number is will be there? 9. So find out from these four numbers, is there any number at the ones place that is the number 9?
Yes.
Yes.
Only one number. Yes, only one number is there, and this is our answer. We don't need to solve total question.
I also do this only.
Yes, how it is?
Very easy it was.
Very good. Now is the next one. What is the result of multiplying one number by another? What is the result? We get
Multiplication.
is the multiplication?
No.
Product.
Yes. Why? Because what is the result of multiplying one number by another? It means 2 multiplied by 3, one number multiplied by another, we get here the product. Okay, understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Move to the next. Now see here once again, bracket is given. So these questions are mostly asked in the scholarship exams. 6 multiply in bracket 3 into 2.
D12.
What is the answer? How to find out? First of all, we have to multiply, or we have to solve this bracket, that is 3 into 2. We get here 6,
6.
and here once again 6. 6 6 are
12.
12.
6 into 6 is equal to 12.
No, sir. 6. But answer is 12.
Answer is 12.
6 are 36.
Yes, answer is our 36.
Option
into-
number 3.
Option number 3. Very
Three.
good. Now the next. It's very easy. Can anybody tell me what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
How many zeros will be at the end of the number?
20 will be added
Yes, and in
13,000.
which option? And in which option? There are 2 zeros at the end. Yes. Number 4.
Yes.
4.
No need to multiply. Am I right?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now the next one. What value of t makes this equation true? Students, do you know the equation? Equation means here
Equal.
equal, when 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We can write this one. So this is the equation, and here the left side and here the right side. When both the sides are balanced and the same, that time we can say it's the equation. So find out the value for this left side. 4 into 9, 36 is equal to 3 into, instead of t, which option will be there to get this answer? If we take the number 6, then we get here 6 3 is 18. Is it okay? Is it the equation 36 is equal to 18?
Option number 1.
Option number 1.
No, because if we take the option number 1, we get the answer 3 into 6, 18. Both the sides are now equal. 36 is equal to 18.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
36 is equal to 18.
Yes.
No.
No.
No,
Because
sir.
if we take the next one, 3 nines are, we get here product 27. See here, students, in here left side as well as right side, both the numbers or both the products are, it should be same. 4 nines are 36 here at the left side, right? Here also we get, here also we want to get this such as same product 36. Then which number, after taking which number we get the product 36? That is number 12.
12.
See, 3 into 12, 12 threes are
12 is
36.
12 3s are
36.
36.
Very good. So the option is
Option number 3.
3.
Option number 3.
Okay. Okay. Now here Alex buys 6 plane tickets to Florida. If each ticket cost is rupees 528, how much will Alex spend for all 6 tickets together? Here also, just think on it. The options. The cost of one ticket is how much? 528. It
Sir,
means it
option
is
number 1.
Sir,
it is greater than 318. So this is less than 528. Option is
Yes.
ultimately wrong. Second one also here. Now, if we take the 500 into 6, we get 5 into 6, 30.
31.
3000. It means the number it should be more than 3000. It means the second option is not there. So only two
Sir,
options are
first
there.
option. First option.
Option number 1 is
Number.
the
Option
correct
number 1.
answer.
Very good. So homework for you, multiply. You have to multiply vertically. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And some word problems also you have to solve for your homework. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, sir.